Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to turn on our alerts and notifications and silent notifications in Samsung Galaxy S22. Where to find this option? Of course, in Settings. Then we are looking for Notifications menu and we have Lock Screen Notifications. Here we have notifications to show. Right now, it's alerts only. By default, this option right here should be turned on, but if it's not, we can change it right here in this menu. And now alert and silent notifications are now on, as it should be by default. And that's all, easy to do. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.